Okay, no stupid mistakes. Come on.
4,
Yeah, fucking stay alive, guys. Got it.
Yeah.
1.
Crush. Crush. Flame jets. Room. Dance. Crush. Right next. Got fires.
Transcend is
Wait.
nice.
Lasers, guys. Lasers. If it's following you, just move out.
Okay, insanity. Remember. Kite it outwards. Go out. Yep, nice. Hold it. Right.
Fuck, I don't stand. Move out. Auxil, sorry. Move out. Auxil, sorry.
Fire behind. Get ready, guys. Take a little bit of damage if you need. Don't worry. Blow your defensive code.
Insanity is dead. Insanity is dead. You want me to rest him?
Yeah, just VR.
He's in his... But I don't know whether he can... Check.
Crush.
Lasers.
Bison.
Crush.
Dispel.
Dodge, dodge, dodge. Angel.
I couldn't dodge, I got hex.
Excuses,
Bro,
excuses.
you never see and you blame me.
Crush.
Babe.
Nice, nice, nice. Come.
Okay, fire kiting here. Toxin.
Hexakikumar.
Flame jets. Dodge.
Crush.
Call out the hexa.
Oh, our healer noob. Our healer noob. Behind, behind, behind.
Keep left, keep left.
Remember to dispel, ah.
Costa.
Get your jumps.
Hex, dispel now.
Hexachikan.
Thank you, thank you. Okay, get
Flame jets here.
flame jets.
You guys have to slow down now. Get to the... Don't get to the last room, just slow down now. Just slow down now.
Alright, alright.
Jets, guys, don't send the fire, please.
Cut DPS, cut DPS. All cut DPS.
All just chill, yeah. Fill up that room, then push over. Crush.
No, everyone needs to cut DPS. You don't even attack him anymore. Stop.
Fill up that room with shit, then only.
This room got no laser eh.
Yeah, don't.
Then
stop
delay
there.
time all good.
Walao, who's attacking him? This is the damn hard room now. Slow DPS, slow. They're only at 40%.
Right, next. Pick up your gems.
No, we need to stop DPSing. Stop. Cut. Don't even attack him.
Yeah, just cut.
They are way too far behind. Yeah.
No, your last room was very full of shit. Rush.
Now let's take Ruby. That's right.
I didn't... I took it, yeah.
Crush.
Keep Tattoo Manga.
Crush.
Okay, last room.
How many percent are you guys? 30%. Okay.
29.
No,
DPS
still a long
until
way, still a long way.
yeah,
still
long way lah. Okay, stop.
Still got a long way. They got 3 million to catch up, eh.
Just done. Just done.
Crush.
Crush. Yeah, I'm there. Yeah, they're still quite far
Just
behind.
watch where you drop the charging orb. Might cover the entrance.
Oh my god.
Still hold up.
Yeah, still hold.
Wait until we are 1.5.
Did someone DC?
Okay, I
Okay,
start DPSing.
burn. Crouch, stay behind.
Oh no. Fuck, you did that.
Ivan almost died.
Ayya, no free repair bill.
No repairs.
Alright, guys.
We are 3-2 DPS, 1 healer down.
Okay, can. We still good.
Okay, keep going. Go.
Go. Do that shit.
Big dick, come on.
Big dick, yeah.
Yeah, baby.
Remove dick from pants, apply on boss. Liquid gold, remember? You should be out.
Coin shower.
In the middle.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah. Coin shower stack.
Everyone needs to be
Everyone in. Yeah.
Cucumber.
There's no cleave, nothing. Just stand in boss.
Cucumber. Yep. Good job.
Nice.
Hey, whose ticket was that?
Period of gold ads is coming out. Okay. Done.
I got lead, don't worry.
Mo, don't use grip,
Yep.
I'll use it. Okay, start
Cucumber
again.
come, stack group. Cucumber.
Stack, everyone. After this, only go for your liquid gold. Boom. Okay, liquid gold out. More ton already, yeah.
Okay.
Coin shower in 1.
Ready?
Cucumber. Come stack
Soak.
group.
Come, everyone inside. Nice. Ads coming out soon.
Okay, get top.
Good job.
Liquid gold ready to run out, yeah. Run out, then come back in.
15 seconds of
Okay,
my jump.
ads coming out. Stun.
Do the second stun. Oh, Shaman, I'll stun now.
You have another stun?
Coin shower.
Coming, stack, everyone
Come.
stack. Stack on Giant Raccoon.
I'm gonna
More
grip.
mass grip.
The top.
Right, Ton.
Got it.
Pay another one. Kidding.
Hey, actually not that bad lah.
We all got that debuff. Leaders.
Oh, okay.
Are we
Wait, we
gonna
will last at the next ad phase.
Okay, go please. Other one.
Coin shower, everyone in coin shower.
Everyone in, including Timo.
I'm tunneling.
Okay.
Oh, damn pain.
Alright. Still stay. Okay, last now. Stun.
Plus.
More, I will use the mass grip. Yours will be right.
Yep. I'm gonna turn the boss.
Okay.
Mine up in 50 seconds.
Liquid
need-
gold.
Guna je lah. Okay, stun. Easy.
Yes lah.
Nice one, guys.